Hello guys, how are you doing? So today I'm making a video on the fraud activity done by the judge Mark E Windham. He is a judge at Superior Court in Los Angeles, Spring Street Courthouse. Before he was the judge at Spring Street Courthouse, I will explain it to you. So he was a case was filed on June 21st. Look at his other pictures on Google. That's Mark E Windham, okay? So a case was filed on June 21st against Leon DeSalvo and Kristen Leahy. Okay. So on June 21st, I filed this case in Spring Street Courthouse. It was assigned to Department 26. And this judge, Mark E Windham, who I showed you before, was the presiding judge in that department. Okay. So this complaint was filed, and after that, the defendants hired this attorney, as you know, Christopher Brainard. I have shown you the videos before. That's his license. And what he did, he filed for a motion for vexatious litigant against me. Okay, and then he filed for this motion. And let me tell you, the courts follow restraint, a very strong restraint in declaring someone a vexatious litigant. Because once you are declared a vexatious litigant, it's very, very hard to file a case. You have to take the permission from the presiding judge. It can take a month, and access to the courts is like almost banned on you. And you are on the mercy of the presiding judge. Okay. So I did object to it. I did file motions to give me like more time to respond. I filed 2 motions. I will attach it later to my another video, because right now I just want to make this short video. So I did file 2 ex partes to grant me extra time, and the hearing came on October 14th. And before the hearing, I did file the ex partes, 2 ex partes. Both were denied. So looking at the bias, I did try to disqualify, to recuse the Judge Mark E Windham on this case. You can see filed, stamp, October 7th. And you can always go on this case, 24 STLC 04501 on the LA Court website, and you can look the documents yourself and the events. So I did try to recuse himself, or recuse him from the case, and he denied that too. So eventually, on October 14th, he didn't listen to me, and whatever I said, Judge Windham did not listen to me anything, and he just declared me a vexatious litigant. And after that, I was suicidal. I went to the recovery center, and I was taking 3 days. I was in the recovery center. It can affect you so bad, really. And then I was so disappointed with the Judge Windham. He did not listen to me. He just followed no restraint, and he just signed the order. He just declared me, not signed the order. He just declared me the vexatious litigant. Okay. So you can see he declared me the vexatious litigant on October 14th. On October 1st, I dismissed the case without prejudice. I dismissed the case without prejudice. Okay, and I also tried to recuse him, and he denied this is a preemptory challenge, 170.6. So he denied it after ruling on the vexatious litigant motion. He didn't listen to me, nothing. He didn't even read my papers. He just declared me a vexatious litigant. Okay. So this is the dismissal which I filed on October 1st. Okay. Okay. So after this, what happens is that I was in depression and in therapy, and I was declared a vexatious litigant, and I was, this Mr. Brainerd. Mr. Brainerd, this guy, you see, Mr. Brainerd, he filed for sanctions against me. He filed for sanctions against me in the amount of $23,816. And there was a hearing on December 5th. So hearing on December 5th, I was not informed by the court that there's a hearing. And these sanctions were granted. By who? By Judge Cindy Panuco. See, December 5th, the court didn't inform me, and they granted it. Okay. So after this, a lien was filed on my property. Like you can see other videos, and I have shown the lien and everything. A lien was filed on my property. Multiple writs were taken in different cities, like 2 in Los Angeles, 1 in Santa Clara, when I only have 1 property in Orange County, and 2 duplicative liens were filed with the Orange County Clerk Recorder based on this. So I came back to the court when with the help of the doctors and my friends, I was able to recover to a certain extent. And after that, I came back to the case. I actually came to know that there was a lien filed on my property. So I came back to the case and I filed a motion to vacate the sanctions because I was not informed, and lots of various other things. Okay. So here you go. So what happened is that there was a ruling of vexatious litigant, but no signed pre-filing orders. To declare someone a vexatious litigant, you need to have pre-filing orders which are signed by the judge. You need to send it to the counsel list department who put the person on the vexatious litigant list. And then they need to serve me the signed orders. Okay. So there was So when I filed for vacating the sanctions, you know what happened? I came to know there was no pre-filing order signed. So what happened is that the Judge Mark E Windham, he actually signed on this pre-filing order October 14, you see, right? But guess what? Guess what? This address, P.O. Box 2028, Fullerton, California, 92837. What's the date here? October 14, 2024. Okay. There is no moving party here, like the attorney information. And you can see, I filed the case against Kristen Leahy, and here it says Kristen Leherov, right? Okay, so here is the surprise, guys. It says October 14th, right here. I didn't take the address P.O. Box 2028 till November 29th. Here is my signed rental agreement with the P.O. Box. You see the date? November 29, 2024. So how the court got this on October 14, 2024? That's backdated by the Judge Mark E Windham. Plus, I did the change of address on the same day I took the P.O. Box. Plus, I did the change of address not before March 24, 2025. It was accepted on March 25th, 2025. You see that? Plus, after October 14th, a court was sending me documents on my previous address, 2451. You see? So Judge Mark E Windham has backdated it. Judge Mark E Windham has backdated the document, and we believe so much in the court. We spend so much in the court system, and the judges are doing big time fraud. We have to raise our voice, guys. Raise our voice.